Hello everybody, today we introduce a custom printing machine to you, which branded DOMSEM. This UV printer can print all kinds of flat products. This is for iPad cover, acrylic board, PVC card, and all kinds of phone cases. Can print on your old photo, soft GPU phone cases, box, desert phone case, wide phone case, glass. Now we show you how to operate and how to custom printing a phone case. This is for iPhone 10, iPhone 6 Plus. Now we show you how to print. First, we print a position. We set the output position at X40, Y60, and then we print on this position on the print table. This is a print table we print it on, and we can print a phone case. For example, we can press on this position for printing. Move it back. Go. Measure the size of the phone case, and then we edit the photo the same size as the phone case, and then we print this dog pad on the phone case. Very cute. Now we start to print.
不管是说你要什么，就是很大力或者是拿刀啊，很大力去抠，肯定是可能是他那个经常手去摸，肯定手的，直接就是白。
And now the printer is already started to print.
它也一样的，是一样的，可能打那个打的上面就这打一个嘛，这打一个，擦拿来不擦然后。
It usually takes about 2 or 3 minutes to print a phone case. Ready? It's already dry. It's very nice. And now we show you how to print a soft GPU phone case. We put this phone case soft GPU on a phone model. Fix with your phone model for printing. We we use a very high quality ink, UV ink. 3 years outdoor durability, adhesive, excellent. You see?
One.
就是到时候会给你，就是配这种就可以了。这样子的话，
这种壳的话，它越干啊。
对，它一般是打这个，一般打这个或者是。
那也不一定哦，你要咋说呢？
墨水
比较少，对吧？
这样的，
这种壳它可能会怎么说呢？一般是打玻璃壳，
玻璃壳没
打2:1。
对，
软壳的话也会打的，不是说不打。
软壳就是比较适合这种墨水，因为它
软壳的话，比如说我要打软壳，我要看墨水，
那不好说的，因为看我们2台机器一样装一种墨水的，
完全不换。一般现在都用软墨多还是硬墨多？
看你打的是。
这个用硬墨打出来的就是你折的时候就会裂。
折嘛，这个折有裂痕嘛。